Vane displacement law and Lambert's law. Okay, Vane displacement law. The variation of a distribution of the monochromatic emissive power with a wavelength is called as a spectral energy distribution. Okay, the following figure shows E delta B for a selected number of temperatures. Okay, here the monochromatic emissive power varies across the wavelength spectrum and distribution is continuous but non-uniform. Okay, second one is at any wavelength the magnitude of the emitted radiation increases with increasing the temperature. Okay, the wavelength at which the monochromatic emissive power is maximum shifts in the direction of a shorter wavelength as the temperature increases. And the fourth one is at any temperature the area under the monochromatic emissive power versus wavelength gives the rate of radiant energy emitted within the wavelength interval d lambda. Okay, this is about Vane displacement law. Okay, there is mu wavelength, here wavelength is mu. Okay, next one is Lambert's law. Here Lambert's law, it states that the intensity of radiation in a direction of theta from the normal to the black emitter is proportional to the cosine of the angle theta. Okay, it is a Lambert's law. Here it is mathematically Lambert's cosine law can be written as I theta is equals to in into cos theta, where in is equals to normal intensity and I theta is equals to intensity at an angle theta. Okay, this is about Lambert's law. Thank you.